What's up, budget crew? Welcome back. Got another quick video. This is just gonna be like a interior detail or budget detail on my wife's EK that we just got. So let me give you guys a walk around. You guys can see this thing's in pretty rough shape, but I mean, motor wise and all that, it's healthy. This thing, look at that. Oh my god, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. We do have the original floor mats, so that's a good thing, but I mean, they're already gone to shit, so we're just gonna vacuum it. I'm gonna take out the seats just to make everything easier. That was pretty cool though that we have the original floor mats. So, yummy. Not bad. So let me take out these seats real quick. I think these are like 12, 13, 14, 10. No, let's guess. Let's see. I think they're like 12s. 12 or 14. Alright, what is this? 12? I knew it. I got it right the first time. Hell yeah. No, I'm just kidding. It took me like 3 tries. I got 13 first, and then I grabbed the 12. So I was close. So second try. So get this shit I got. Rico. Come on, good. Alright, so I got all 4 bolts on. They're all 12 mils, so the 2 in the back, 2 in the front. The seat is now completely off, so I'm gonna have my wife take that one off. I'm gonna show her how to work on cars and stuff, so I'm gonna have her do that while I, start picking up all this trash. Let me disconnect this so I can remove the seat all the way. Let me take this out real quick. Supporting the...
So what do I do?
Well, it's already set to break it loose. So yeah, and then break it loose.
How the heck do
You gotta use your hustle muscle.
I can't. It has to be this way.
Yeah,
like
but pull down on it, push down on it hard, and then it'll break loose.
Down?
Yeah. You see? So now you're loosening it. Yeah, you can pay hourly, huh?
I've never used a tool before. That shit's still not unhooked.
You barely broke it loose. What do you mean?
I know, but it's taking a long time.
Okay. So now there's this one right here. You have to...
Fuck.
You can't break it loose? Yeah, you weakling, man.
Oh my god.
Teddy bear force.
What the fuck?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to do this real quick. We're gonna be here all day. Look at that. Golly.
Are you serious? You could do it? No way. You're lying.
Alright, guys, so while she's taking out the front seat, I think I'm gonna remove the whole center console just to like spray these down, because look at that. I don't know if I try to hit that with a brush or something, I'm probably gonna end up missing like little crevices and then it's gonna look ugly. So I'm gonna take these off. It's just Phillips screw heads all around. pretty easy. So I'll take this. I'll probably finish taking this out before she's done. So we'll see. Yeah, already taking a water break. This guy. Alright, I think that's all of them. Now, this thing will just come off. Alright, these are definitely gonna get hosed down. What do you think? You wanna get new mats or you wanna use those still? Preserve them.
You think they're preservable?
Nah.
No, I think
I
it's
mean,
new ones.
you could probably still use them though. Like if you clean them, we clean them really good and just like spray them down with like black paint. That way they'll just be black mats, you know. Just for now until we get you some better ones. Cause these fit like perfectly, like the grooves, you know. God damn, thing dirty. You know, the trash here, golf ball. Need this right here. Alright guys, so I got all the big trash out. Got the seats out, center console stuff out. My wife's gonna be cleaning that stuff, disinfecting it while I, you know, vacuum this up. And then we'll give it a wipe down and should be good to go. As for the carpet and the mats, we're gonna spray them down. We're gonna clean them. I have the little, you guys seen that little vacuum, the wet vacuum I have to extract the stains and stuff. So we're gonna clean that as much as we can, and then we're just gonna spray paint it black. There's some like vinyl spray paint you can buy, and you know, we'll have black carpet. So it should look clean. The actual condition of the carpet itself, it's not bad. I mean, it has like little bald spots here, but that floor mat covers that. But there's no rips, no tears anywhere. The carpet's still intact. So with all that being said, guys, let me fucking vacuum all this shit up and be right back. Alright guys, check this out. So I took out the rear seats and I just wanted to show you guys the condition of how this was underneath. You know, it looks brand new. Or not brand new, but it looks like it's in really good condition. The sound deadening, all that. Look at that. I don't know if you guys remember when I took mine off, and mine was fucking filthy. But it's a good sign. Alright guys, check it out. Not so quick vacuum. Now I'm just gonna wipe everything down and then we'll give it another vacuum because there's gonna be like little crud and shit that falls off. So we're gonna wipe everything down. Make this thing look nice. Yeah, not bad guys. Alright guys, check it out. We got everything wiped down. There are some permanent scuffs that are like, you know what I mean if you have a Honda. But overall though, we got all that nasty stuff off. Got the carpet as clean as possible. I'm gonna give it one more vacuum right now. But you guys seen all that soda stain that was here. It's fine. Carpet, all the plastics, the vents behind here, the steering wheel. Little tray, I think still dusty, but not bad guys. So yeah, let me just vacuum this up, then I'm gonna vacuum the seats and then just throw everything back on, and I think we should be done with the inside for now. Nice. Check that out, check that out. Not bad at all guys. Like I said, we are gonna paint the carpet black, so don't mind the stains that are still on there. Nice. Hell yeah, not bad. Very nice guys. I'm so stoked on this. This is dope. The other side. Not bad. Hell yeah. Very nice. I'm sorry guys. This is so nice. Like, you guys see how dirty this shit was. Now it's actually ready to be a daily. Alright guys, so the next video, what I'm gonna be doing is just cleaning up the block, you know. I'm gonna get some like, you know, sanitary cleaner and just spray all that shit down. Wipe it down, you know, get it as clean as possible. That way if we do have any oil leaks, you know, we can see where they're coming from. Another thing I want to do is just flush out all the fluids, you know, the coolant, power steering, brake fluid, all that shit, and make sure this thing is, you know, a-okay. But yeah guys, other than that, quick video of just, you know, cleaning the interior and shit. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.